to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. Yeah.
What's up, you guys? Shanice here, back with another video. So today we're going to be looking back at the 2023 crochet style installs that I did last year. We're going to get an update on it. So, you know, it might be something that y'all want to check out. And if so, you know, should you get it? Should you not get it? Did it hold up? Would I get it again? Would I not get it again? Was it trash? I don't know. Let's just talk about it all, okay? Let's go. So we're going to start with the Kima Boho de locs. That hair, it was very versatile. I love the color. I didn't like that it kind of gave a frizzy look after about a week or so. But again, it's boho, so you can kind of get away with it. But the curl pattern was so tight at the end that it just got bigger and bigger and bigger. But then at the same time, it's the kind of hair that you can just throw a couple bobby pins in it, and you have this elegant style that looks like you know, took 2 hours to do. You know what I'm saying? So like, it had its pros and cons, but overall I really did enjoy this style. I would just say this is definitely one that, even though you don't have to wear bonnets and stuff with locks and stuff like that most of the time, this one I definitely would. And of course I have a video for this hair, and I believe just about every other hair on this list. So if you want an in-depth, you know, install or whatever, of course go to that video and it'll be there for you. I would try to link all that stuff in the description box, but I ain't gonna lie, it probably ain't gonna be there when this video first come out, but you know, because I'm running a little behind, but it'll be there anyway. Of course, y'all check out my crochet playlist, and all of the hair be up under that. Next on the list is Yankee Twist. Y'all know how much I love Yankee Twist. Y'all already know. It's just on the list because I put it in last year. You feel me? This color was cute, but it's not an everyday thing for me. But the other colors, you know, like the 1B30s, the reds, all of that I've had in the past few years, hell yeah. Hell yeah. This hair being reusable and water friendly, and you don't have to worry about frizz, and it's easy to style, and no tangling, and like I could just go on and on and on. Yeah, it got a little price tag on it, not gonna lie, it do. And thank God that sis send me out the hair. She don't pay me to tell y'all nothing, but she do send me the hair. And I started this relationship, like I reached out to her because I was like, that hair look interesting. It looked like it got potential. You know what I'm saying? And so she sent it out to me, and, you know, thus the relationship was born. I just, you know, I'm going to keep it real. That hair is bomb. It gives everything it needs to give. I ain't came across one install yet that didn't give what it needed to give. It's an investment, I feel, because you can install it so many different times. Y'all, I ain't gonna lie. I took it out my head, put it in my best friend's head, took it out her head, washed it, put it back in my head. You feel me? Like, it just gives. Like, it just gives to whoever you need it to give, however you want it to give, however many times you need it to give. It gives givability, and it's given to us. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's just something that just should be in your closet, and you need it in several colors. In my opinion. Anyway, let's move on to the next one. So this hair I ordered from Amazon. It's the French curl hair. Listen, when I first ordered this hair, I ordered it in a layered. It was 2 different layers. I think like a 16-18 or a 14-18, something like that, child. Anyway, the hair, the braids were made well, the knots locked, everything was good. I enjoyed that hair. I can't even explain to you how much I enjoyed it. I enjoyed it so much that it stayed on my mind the entire year. And just about a month ago, I installed it again. I reordered the hair because I didn't keep it. I don't know why I didn't keep it, but I didn't. I think because I just wore it so long. I don't know, but I didn't end up keeping it. Anyway, I reordered it, but I ordered it in 3 different lengths because I got the longest length, the medium length, and then the short length because I wanted it long because I just wanted it to like really, 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 really give. You know what I'm saying? I wanted to whip that shit all across town. And the braids came and they do not lock. I was so upset. Like, I don't know if they changed the manufacturer that they get the hair from, but the braids are just made different now. They're made different, and I absolutely hate that. And my pictures are floating around, town like, oh, this is the hair. But like now, like I'm sitting here looking crazy because they changed the manufacturer. And the hair does not give what it gave before. The curls were still good. The texture was still good. It was fine, but the locks did not. So I ended up doing updos the entire time. Don't get me wrong. There was cute ponytails and shit, but that's not what I had got the hair for. You feel me? So I was drastically disappointed in what they sending out now. So I no longer stand behind that hair. If y'all know of a crochet French curl hair that the knots are locking good, the braid is made well. If y'all know of a brand, pin it down in the put it down in the comment section. I'll pin it, and shit, I'm gonna order it because I really want that style again. Especially if it comes in different lengths. So y'all know we all a family, we all a community, we all share everything we know. So you know what I'm saying? If you know something, put it in the comments so I can pin it and let the whole fam know, okay? And also, y'all, please pardon my voice. I know it's a bit shaky. I'm trying to not cough and all of that, but I'm getting over this shit, y'all. So, yeah. Anyway, so next we got the authentic locs. They were sent to me by Sam's Beauty. Y'all know I fuck with Sam's Beauty real bad. I love those locks. I've actually been using a lot of those to create the human hair locks, which I'll tell you about that later. But yeah, the locks alone are cute. Add some hair to it, cuter. The locks are made so very well. They're constructed well. They look natural. They're not heavy. They're reusable. The knots are gorgeous. Like the way they lock in place and the knots aren't huge. It just gives this natural look. It's a natural feel. It's dense enough to hold where you can add hair. You know how we've been doing this little revolution of boho inserts and stuff. Like it's really good, and it's really cheap, but that shit is affordable, y'all. I ain't gonna quote no prices because I know prices go up and down, but I know I've seen that shit as cheap as $3.99 a pack, and then I done see them do buy one get one free. I done seen $6.99 a pack. Like, baby, it give it just give every time. So the next one is another authentic brand. It's their Yankee Twist in a 24-inch. They must have sent me all that together because I'm going in order. That's what's been in my album. So they must have sent both of those together, the lots and Yankee Twist, probably, child. But yeah, that hair gave too. It gave too. It didn't get frizzy at the end. It's very sleek. It's light. It's one of those things again that you can put in different styles and it looked like it's been styled. You feel me? It's not like it looked like you just got up and you just tried to do something with it. You feel what I'm saying? Like, and I think when I installed this, I did it as a braidless install. So I did like the rubber band method. Y'all make sure to check out the original video on that if you like this hair. But yeah, it give. And then I reinstalled it again towards the end of the year. I do remember that. And it still gave. You feel me? So yeah, that hair reusable. I didn't use no whole lot of products or nothing with it. I don't even think I used product, to be honest. If I did, I could see me spraying a little water on there. Maybe. But I really don't think I did. I know I didn't last time. I know I didn't the last time I installed it. But if you just trying to, look a little special, you know what I mean? Like, you can put some water and some mousse on there if you want to. But, And then I put that hair up in a ponytail, and that was how I slept, like a little pineapple on top of my head. And that was how I went to sleep. So, yeah, that hair is super manageable. It's very cute, very flowy. That's water-friendly hair. So you know, summertime is coming, you girls. You know, it's coming, and yeah, this is definitely one of the hairs to get. And again, all that authentic brand, all of that stuff is super affordable, like way affordable. Because when I first started looking at authentic stuff, and they was like, "Don't you want to try it?" I was kind of side eyeing it, I'm like, "Why is it this cheap? Is it gonna give?" You feel me? And I was always kind of nervous. But after about the third or fourth product that I tried from authentic, I was like, oh, okay. But yeah, you can get authentic brand again at samsbeauty.com. So make sure to check out the original video on that one. Okay, so the way it's going, we're going to have to split this up into 2 videos, because I said I didn't want this video to be more than 15 minutes long. We already at 10 minutes. So I think we got room for one more hair. So let's get into that one. This one is a no-name. It was by Be Famous Beauty. They sent me the hair. It was brand new. She was trying to figure out what name she was going to give it or whatever. I was the first one to try it. The hair was gorgeous when we installed it. You see, like it gave. But shortly after, and when I say shortly, I mean like the next day, it started to frizz, and then it just got worse and worse and worse. And then, you know, there's good frizz and then there's bad frizz, and this was definitely bad frizz. It was basket weavy. It was crochetty. It was just, ooh, it was bad. It was real bad. So when I told her my experience with it, she was like, okay, no, let me just go back to the drawing board on that one. And you know, with that, I love when, hold on, I got a cough, hold on. Okay, excuse me. I love when companies do that, when they see that something's wrong. They pull that shit and don't give it to the people. You know what I'm saying? Because not every company does that. I'm not gonna front you on it. Not every company don't do that. And most of them be like, oh, well, can you just send me the pictures? And you know what I'm saying? Like, they don't care. They just want some money. It was a little quick buck, and then that's it. They don't care about the consumers. And that's one reason that I rocked with her for so long, because she was passionate behind what she did. As far as serving her customers. I know she ain't had the best customer service, but I do understand under the circumstances that she was dealt. You feel me? Now, do I work with them anymore? No. I feel I'm the most understanding person in the world. I really do feel like that. You just got to talk to me. Tell me what the hell going on. But in the last little business thing we tried to do together, I felt like she kind of shaded me a little bit. Or that she tried to, I don't know, she's trying to put a little quickie, or some shit popped off and she couldn't follow through. And instead of being real with me about it, you know, she just tried to do it underhandedly. You know, I don't know. Whatever the case may be, I just don't, I didn't even say nothing about it. I ain't even go behind it no more. I just kind of left it alone and just said, you know what, I'm just not gonna work with it no more. Just cancel that shit, you know. Because I just feel like I was at least due a conversation, just to be real with me, you feel me? But that's not what happened. So I just had to move on. But as far as the hair goes, the hair always be bomb. She don't put in out this bullshit. She don't. You feel me? I won't let my personal feelings come in between me and excuse me, and you and the hair. You feel me? Because I got love for some hair. And she do have good hair. Now, from what y'all telling me, y'all can't order the hair. Like a lot of people asking me, is she out of business? The website down, then the website up, but then they ain't got no stock, or they can't submit a payment. I keep getting all of these things, and I keep telling everybody the same thing. Baby, I don't work with her no more. I don't know what's going on. I really don't. So I don't know if she's still in business or not. But either way, this hair wasn't available anyway. She never put it out. But it was a hair that I installed, and it was beautiful, but it was trash. And yeah, that was it. So that's enough for today, because we done talked for 15 good minutes. We'll do this again, because I still got other pictures and shit, and more crochet styles that I've done, and we gotta go through them. So look out for part 2 next week. Thank y'all for rocking with me. I love y'all. Talk to y'all later. Bye.
I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. Yeah, I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. I don't need a lot, no. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing. I don't speak a lot, and